ICC Max 10th Standard 7th lesson Ratios and Proportions from R.S.Agarwal book. Okay, so example 9. So if 5x square minus 13xy plus 6y square is equal to 0, find xy. So this is what we are going to find. So this is a very simple problem, kids. So this is ultimately factorizations. Okay, so this is 5 and 6, okay, plus 5 and you have plus 6. So when you multiply we get plus 30. Okay, so we have to split this 30. Okay, so how will you split? 1 30s are 30, 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 5 6 are 30. So when we add we have to get 13. So which number is the perfect number? Perfect pair 10 plus 3. Okay, so this is the right pair. So 3 and 10. I have to get minus 13, and means when you add and multiply we have to get plus 30. So I have to give both negative numbers. So if we add I will get minus 13, and if a product is plus 30. So this is product and this is sum. Okay, so this is the right pair. So we can split the middle term into minus 3x xy into plus c. Okay, plus 10xy. So now go to the problem. 5x square. So what is the middle term? That is 13xy. So 13xy can be right 3xy minus 10xy. Okay, and plus 6y square equal to 0. Okay, so we have splitted the 13xy into minus 3xy and minus 10xy. Okay, so this is a very important step. Okay, so if we add we get minus 13xy, and if we multiply you will get plus 30xy. Okay, okay, I have chosen the right pair. Okay, so I have to group first two terms. So one of the student asked me, ma'am, we have splitted minus 3 and minus 10. Is that you can write minus 10 here and minus 3, or minus 3 and minus 10? Is there any order to write here? Okay, so here there is no order, kids. Okay, so you can write, choose the right pair, and you can write in no order, minus 3, no order, minus 3 or minus 10. Okay, so after grouping you will get the same answer. Okay, see how will you group? What is the common out? Okay, taken out. Okay, so how will you decide that common term? So grouping this first term and second term. So this both the terms can be divided by x only. Okay, so I have taken x outside. So interior 5 and x minus 3y. Okay, so only x comes outside, or you just write divide by x. Okay, so after dividing we will get 5x and minus 3y. Okay, here we have to get minus outside. Okay, so I am just dividing by minus means minus 1. Okay, so and both the terms can be divided by 2. Okay, so is that? Yes, so I am writing 2, and both the terms can be divided by y also. Yes, so I have written y also. Okay, so now we get minus 2y taking outside. So after dividing this 5, y comes outside, so 5x, minus comes outside, so the plus it has only minus, and after you just divide 6 divided by 3 or 2, so we get 3y. 1y comes outside, so 1y is left out, equal to 0. So that's all. X minus 2y, yes, and 5 minus 3y equal to 0. So we have two answers. Okay, so x minus 2y equal to 0 and 5x minus 3y equal to 0. So we have two answers. So after simplifying this we will get the total answer. Okay, so how will you simplify? X is equal to 2y. So x divided by y equal to 2 divided by 1. So x is to y equal to 2 is to 1. So this is the first answer. So what is the next answer? So 5x, 3y minus 3y going that side. So this is positive, and x divided by y, that is equal to 3 divided by 5. So it can be right x is to y equal to 3 is to 5. So this is the another Okay, so we have two answers for this sum. Okay, so do you understand, kids? So this or this. Okay, that is the final answer. Okay, so this question is important. How to important it is? Factorization is more important. So when you take quadratic equations, okay, take more quadratic equations and practice. So splitting the middle term and by the formula and squaring on both sides. Okay, so perfect, completing the square method. So you have so many methods, you can choose any of the method to complete the to factorize this quadratic equations. Okay, I hope you all understand. So please, after seeing the video, just do the problem, students. Okay, thank you.